put that report and check, right? Including this year's report. Mostly you will get rankings. Oh, everything was released, na? Ranks also released this year, right? Just download and go through that report. I am observing from 5 years. Not even a single 100% from total state of Tamil Nadu. From last 5 years, I am not. Before that, I have not observed. From 5 years, I am taking it seriously. 0. Why? Advanced also. Best rank from total Tamil Nadu region, Tamil Nadu state itself, including every coaching classes. You can't find any student below 100. Only one student, I think, he studied at Hyderabad. Student is Tamilian only, but he studied at Hyderabad. Students of Tamil Nadu studying at Rajasthan, they may get rank. Those who are belongs to Tamil Nadu studying in Tamil Nadu, I'm talking about them. Last year also Nair, he doesn't belongs to, he's not even Tamilian. North Indian migrated to Chennai. From Chennai, student is studying at Hyderabad. He got rank 27. That I accept. But I'm talking about the students here. Why it is not happening? Tell me the reason, man. Why it is not happening? You are all aspirants, na? You are all here, sir. I am going to get rank. Before saying that, you need to do some research. Why my seniors failed? Is it possible for me to get successful in it or not? What may be the reason? Why they failed? How to rectify that mistakes? Have you done that analysis? Whether they kept it or deleted, I don't know. This is the declaration. Declaration by NTA. Just for a few minutes. Students written from every state, complete analysis. Number of PW students, girls, boys appeared. Day 1, how many students appeared? What is the percentage attendance? In which how many boys, how many girls? Complete analysis they will do, right? After that, percentages. URLs, cutoff percentages. After that, category wise, male, female, third gender, total. Only one person attended in third gender. 100% is that whether she or he will join in NIT. 100% sure, because only one person, in total country, only one person attended. 100% seat will be there, right? Now see here, state eligibility, right? These are the toppers. Rajasthan, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Gujarat. Find Tamil Nadu. There are? Where, man? Where is Tamil Nadu, man? This is 2025. Same way in the NTA website, go and check for 2024, 2023, 2022, 2021, every year. Right? Don't trust the things which are circulating in YouTube or social media. Right? You can't find facts. All are propagated. For example, if I pay much to Google for advertisement, obviously all my negative reviews will not be shown to you. Only positive reviews will be projected. Right? That's why go directly to his website and check why this is not happening. in this state. Do you know the reason? No one in this state is worried about getting rank. No one is clear about what is the difference between NITs, IITs, and state engineering colleges and state universities. No one have that clarity, right? Everyone will have the belief that after completing my 11th and 12th, if I get good board marks, with my board marks, I will join in some private engineering college or Anna University or somewhere here. So my engineering dream will be accomplished. But real problem starts from there. Right? Yes, sir, please. Actual problem starts there. If you are not serious about your preparation in 11th and 12th, after joining into BTech, you have to suffer a lot. Point one. This is the reason those who already somehow entered into NITs or IITs gave clear message that for us, it is not so easy to come out with BTech. So most of them are preferred to join in local colleges. As how you prepare for board exams, question and answer type. After joining BTech also, by purchasing guides, they are working on getting qualified in boards. Somehow they are getting BTech degree. Gone. After that, they are struggling for getting job. This is the major problem. We are much worried about getting board marks till 10th, in 11th and 12th. After joining BTech also, we are worried about board marks only. We are not thinking about getting professional skills. This attitude, till it doesn't change, this will be the process. This is the total state's fate. Do you know that government also, Tamil Nadu government is also giving classes for government students who are studying in government schools? Do you know that? Huh? Anyone from enrolled at state board, government school? Anyone? They will be conducting some camps, NEET camp, JEE camp. For every district, they will select some 50 students and they will run one camp, 2 months, 3 months camps. From last 4 years, they are doing. This year also, one camp is over already. Maybe within another 10 or 15 days, it will over another camp for class 11th to 12th moving students. In spite of doing so much effort, they are struggling to get good ranks. Reason? Our attitude towards competitive exams is not in a right way. Right? Every student, including parent and a teacher and your school, everyone is thinking about only one thing. Getting board marks, getting board percentage, enough. We are not thinking beyond that. This is the first hurdle. We need to come over it. We have to be sure that 95 or 99 percentile I should get in boards, and I need to start my preparation for JEE mains. I need to complete it, and then I need to concentrate for JEE advanced. Then only we got as conceptual learning. We are not worried about conceptual learning. We are always doing rote learning by preparing for some questions and answers. We are memorizing things and we are trying to go to write that board exams and we are getting marks. We are getting board certificates. We are worried with that only. First, we need to come out of that attitude. Right? Don't believe my words. Do your own research. Everything is available in Google. AI also will give proper report. If you give AI, it will give complete analysis from last 10 years or 15 years. What is how many students got 100% from TN state, native of or domicile of TN. If you type and check, you will get the complete details. Right? Don't see the advertisements. Advertisements, Akash also can give advertisement. 100 students from Tamil Nadu got 100 out of 100 percentile. They can give advertisement is different. That is marketing strategy. I'm talking about fact. Right? There are many other exams, Olympiads also. Best mathematicians are from Tamil Nadu, but no representation in IOQM, INMO from total country. Not I am talking about state. World's famous mathematicians are from Tamil Nadu. After them, there is no legacy. No one is taking the legacy forward. And if you go to ISRO, most of the scientists are from Tamil Nadu, right? Once they get retired, then who? Oh. Means 25, 30 years back, that legacy of carrying forward things, making things great, such generation is maybe going to get lost forever, like dinosaurs. Gone. Next generations, it's a really worrying fact. So it is your responsibility to understand the things and work for it. There is a lot of scope in Tamil Nadu for you. In front of you, there is a lot of scope to get best ranks. No one in the state is able to get 100%. Means if you get 100%, you will be in limelight. Correct or not? Say yes or no. No one is getting good rank in JEE Advanced. Means if you get it, if you work a little more, our seats of NIT Trichy must be filled through domicile. Means for the native students of Tamil Nadu only. Correct or not? Means if you work a little hard, whether you will get seat or not. No one is getting 100%. Means if you work a little, if you are able to somehow manage to get 99, you will get seat or not? Easily you can get. Out of 300 marks, if you get 150 to 170 marks. If it is 190, if you want to core seats, if you get 190 marks, you can get NIT Trichy in core seat you will get. Right? Nowadays core seat means they are excluding civil engineering. They are talking about computer science, electronics and electricals. They are not much worried about civil. Civil is also good course only. But no one is going into core jobs. Whatever the course they are doing, they are going for ending up as software engineer, IT professional. You have studied civil engineering, finally you became software engineer. What you are constructing there? By using bricks, you are going to construct computer or what? This is the major problem. You need to think and identify your strengths. You need to set a clear goal and path, and you have to work for it. That's what we are not doing. Even if I start teaching some chapter, solid state chapter, do you know 99% students' attitude will be, "Yes, sir, this is deleted version." That will be our attitude. This year, JEE Advanced question they have framed from solid state. One question they framed from surface chemistry. Complete inorganic. I haven't found even a single question in both papers combined. Not even a single question from the inorganic chemistry. First paper they completely concentrated on physical, little of organic. Second paper, half of the paper is organic, half of the paper is physical. Little knowledge, maybe class 8th, 9th, 10th knowledge of inorganic is sufficient to solve this year's advanced paper. And people keep on saying, sir, paper is tough. These are also NEET people are saying NEET paper is tough. NEET paper is a tough compared to 2024, 2023, 2020, 2019 onwards. It is, when you compare, it is tough. If you go to 2016, 17, 18, those papers and this year's paper is same standard, no difference also. In fact, it is easier. During the time of Corona, after Corona, that path has changed. So that's why people keep on saying, claiming that paper is tough. Real problem is you are not studying. You are studying only for boards. You are not preparing for competitive exams. If you are not preparing for competitive exams, obviously paper will be tough only. Let's switch on. Visible? Same visible? Right? All papers are in fact easy, sir. It is not visible, man. Is it visible now? I need to switch off this also. Now? Now also it is not visible. So I am opening 2025 paper 1. Yes, sir. Before starting the paper, thermal decomposition of compounds. Do you remember? Have we discussed anything related to it? Yes, madam. Madam, not at all visible screen. Whatever I am writing. No use, madam. They can't change it now. Yes, madam. What happens? Any ammonium compound having oxygen in it, if I heat, what happens? Discuss it or not? Ammonium nitrate, NH4NO3. Right? If I heat, what happens? Write on rough paper or something. NH4NO3, ammonium nitrate, on heating, what happens? Do we have discussed anything related to this in previous classes? Have we discussed ammonium dichromate, laboratory volcano reaction? In lab, if we heat it, it will burst like volcano. I showed that video also in class, if you remember. Huh? Remember? Huh? Ammonium nitrate, ammonium nitrite. What happens? Any ammonium compound having oxygen in it, if I heat it, first what I have to do? First eliminate water. Eliminate water from it. If I eliminate water, what you will have? NH4NO3. If I remove water from it, can I remove 2H2O? Then what is left? N2O, nitrous oxide, laughing gas. Correct? If it is NH4NO2, what happens on heating? NH4NO2, ammonium nitrite. NH4NO2 on heating. Now what happens? N2 gas. Correct? Now take one more compound. Orange color crystals. Ammonium dichromate. NH4 twice Cr2O7. NH4 twice Cr2O7. Let me activate the pen just a moment. NH4 twice Cr2O7, ammonium dichromate, solid. This on heating. Here also what I have to do first? Shall I remove water first? How many H2Os I can remove? 4. So I am removing 4 H2Os. Then what is left? Chromium is left. Can I write chromium as Cr2O3? Possible or not? Chromium can I write as Cr2O3? 2 chromiums. Now all oxygens are gone. So what is left? N2. Clear? NaH4NO3 also on heating gives 2H2O plus N2O. Ammonium nitrate on heating gives rise to 2H2O plus N2. Right? This is in case of ammonium compounds. If it is carbonates, what happens? Carbonates. What happens? If cation size is large, if I heat such carbonates, what happens? What happens? I am taking Na2CO3 on heating. What happens? Sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, all these are larger cations or not? If size of cation is large on heating, they won't decompose. They are thermally stable. Right? If a cation size is large, such compounds are thermally stable. If I heat Na2CO3, what happens? Solid, if I keep on heating, it will convert into liquid. It will melt, but it will not decompose. If a cation size is small, such as lithium, Li2CO3, Ag2CO3, ZnCO3, CaCO3, PbCO3, MgCO3, right? Magnesium plus 2 state. Plus 2 state means size of cation decreases now. I am removing 2 electrons. Mg plus 2 means 2 electrons I removed. So size decrease. D block elements. In a period from left to right, what happens to size? Decreases. So D block element, silver at the end of D block. Correct or not? Zinc, calcium belongs to magnesium family only. Lead also in plus 2 state, carbon family, P block element. In a period from left to right, size decreases means all these have smaller size or not? So all such carbonates, if cation size is small, then on heating they will decompose by liberating carbon dioxide gas. Clear? So now tell me CaCO3 on heating, what you got? CaO plus CO2. Now tell me what about PbCO3? PbOCO2, silver carbonate. Ag2O plus CO2, remember. So all forms oxides plus carbon dioxide. Among oxides, so 2 oxides are always unstable. What are they? How many times we discussed this point? Silver oxide, mercuric oxide, HgO, Ag2O. These 2 are unstable oxides. Ag2O and HgO. These 2 are unstable oxides. As they are unstable, on heating, they will decompose to form respective metals plus oxygen. Now tell me what happens on heating silver oxide. What should I get? What should I get first? I should get Ag2O2, but Ag2O is unstable now. So what should be the product? 2Ag plus CO2 plus half O2. Right? If oxide is stable, for example, magnesium oxide, stable only. So what I got? Lithium oxide, Li2O, zinc, ZnO. Are you able to understand, sir? Any questions about carbonates? Right? So in case of carbonates, if cation size is small, they will decompose on heating. If cation size is large, what happens? They don't decompose. Same way nitrates also. Nitrate, NaNO3. It is not working. Let me write here. Na. NaNO3 on heating. LiNO3 on heating. Now tell me what happens in case of LiNO3 on heating? Lithium nitrate on heating. Oxide, correct. So I am taking 2 moles of lithium oxide, lithium nitrate to form Li2O plus NO2 plus half O2. Do the reaction got balanced? Now NaNO3 on heating. Cation size is large. What happened on heating? That doesn't decompose easily, right? If I strongly heat it, most of the nitrates are less stable. Most of the nitrates are less stable. So it will first decompose to nitrite plus oxygen. If I keep on heating, if temperature is approximately 800 degrees centigrade, then it decomposes to form oxide plus N2 plus O2. But it will not form NO2. NO2 is reddish brown gas. NO2 is reddish brown gas or not? Right? Generally, all nitrates on heating liberates reddish brown gas and O2 gas. But if cation size is large, like Na, potassium, rubidium, cesium, on heating, they form nitrates. If I strongly heat, they will liberate nitrogen, but not NO2 gas. So you will never get NO2 gas if cation size is large. Clear? Silver nitrate on heating, AgNO3 on strong heating, what you will get? What we generally write, Ag2O plus NO2 plus O2. But Ag2O decomposes to form 2Ag plus O2. So silver nitrate on heating decomposes to form silver plus NO2 plus O2. Response, sir. Understood or not? Now we are done with nitrates, carbonates, right? Now I am talking about bicarbonates. In total chemistry, only 5 bicarbonates exist as solids. If you remember, we discussed this point also. What are they? Sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, ammonium. Only these 5 bicarbonates exist as solids. Remaining any bicarbonate exists as liquid solution only. Clear? Lithium bicarbonate, aqueous. It will dissolve in water and remains as liquid solution. Sir, it is aqueous. Now, if I boil, water will evaporate. Silver bicarbonate will convert into precipitate. You will not get. The moment I heat it, lithium bicarbonate will decompose to form lithium carbonate. If I further heat it, lithium carbonate also decompose to form lithium oxide. Are you able to understand? Only 5 bicarbonates exist as solids. Remaining all bicarbonates are solution solid. In chemical bonding chapter, we discussed at this point. Among bicarbonates also, particularly sodium and potassium bicarbonates in solid state, sodium bicarbonate exists as a linear polymer, potassium bicarbonate exists as a dimer due to hydrogen bonding. In chemical bonding chapter, under side heading of hydrogen bonding, we discussed this example. Right, anyhow. In chemistry, the first question. First question. Read it. First question of chemistry. Heating ammonium nitrite and ammonium nitrate is associated with formation of nitrogen containing compounds X and Y. What are X and Y respectively? What is the answer? First option. How much time it will take? Less than 10 seconds. JEE Advanced. 3-mark question. Correct? Second question related to coordination compounds. This topic not yet over. But those who studied chemical bonding, In chemical bonding chapter itself, I have completed this topic. There we discussed about strong field ligands, weak field ligands, if you remember. While you are talking about spectrochemical series, finding hybridization of complexes. Do you remember any of you? Any of you? Remember it? Then leave it. Coordination compounds. We will not bother about it. Question number 3. While we are discussing redox reactions chapter, while we are discussing about the N factor, there we discuss at this point. Okay, remember, please. The N factor of KMnO4 in acidic medium, 5. Because KMnO4 converts from +7 state to 2 + 2. N factor is 5. In basic medium, converts from KMnO4 to K to MnO4, +7 to +6. N factor is 1. If it is neutral medium, converts to MnO2. N factor is 3. Yes or no? Generally, in all cases, I- potassium iodides, I- will react with any oxidizing agent to produce I2 gas. But in only one case, it will form iodate. That is a neutral KMnO4. Same question they have. In fact, it is present in your NCERT textbook also with the highlighted point line. Purely NCERT statement. Iodides on reaction with the neutral KMnO4. What should be the product names? Iodides. Answer. IO3-. If you remember, we discussed at this point while balancing of redox reactions. I- with MnO4- gives rise to IO3- plus Mn plus 2. Or I will write as MnO2. Okay. Again, it was stuck. MnO2. Balance this reaction. Iodine converted from -1 to. What is the oxygen state here? +5. -1 to +5. +7 to +4. So its N factor is 3 and its N factor is 6. -1 to +5, man. In any redox reaction, number of electrons gained and lost must be equal. How can I make these two equal? By multiplying this with 3, this with 6. Or I will multiply this with 2. Correct? Correct or not? Now balance oxygens by adding OH- on both sides. How many oxygens this side? 8. That side? 7. So I am adding 2 OH- and I am adding H2O this side. Check other whether oxygens and hydrogens both got balanced or not. At the moment I am adding OH, I am adding H also, na? That's why what I am doing is I am adding 2 OH groups and I am adding 1 H2O here. Then hydrogens got balanced. One oxygen already there. Second oxygen I am got balanced. Done? Reaction balanced or not? So what I got? I- when reacted with MnO4-, what you got? IO3-. Volumetric analysis, redox reactions chapter, third chapter, or first chapter in your second booklet of chemistry. NCERT, man. In second book, you have this. In state board also, volumetric analysis, redox reaction chapter is there. Respond. Waste test question. Give the answer. Consider the depicted hydrogen in the hydrocarbons given below. Most acidic hydrogen is. Which is most acidic? Where you will lose H plus readily. How many times we discussed at this point? Listen. If I take HF HCl, HBr, HI. Which is strong acid? Why? Why HI is strong acid? Bond length is more, so I can break the bond easily. Larger size, na iodine. So I can break the bond easily. So I minus is generated easily. So I minus is generated easily means HI is giving H plus also easily. So HI is strong acid. Reason is bond dissociation energy. Correct? Respond. No. If product is more stable, if obtained product is more stable, then it can lose H plus easily or not. I have 4 options here. After losing H plus, what you will get? Anion. From here, if I remove H plus, you will get anion here or not? Same way, if I remove H plus here, I will get anion here. Here also, if I remove H plus, I got anion. Here also, if I remove H plus, I got anion. Right? Do that negative charge can involve in delocalization, resonance? Yes or no? Yes, no? So this minus can be shifted here. Then this pi bond will be shifted here. Then this pi bond can be shifted here. Possible? Response, sir? Then what is its resonating structure? Its resonating structure is this 5-membered ring remained as it is. I will get a double bond here. Response, sir? This one, and you got negative charge here. Correct? You got primary anion or not? Yes. Now come to this one. Here also, this negative charge got shifted here. Then this got shifted here. Then this bond will be shifted here. Then this will be shifted here. So what I got? Here also I got a 5-membered ring. I got a double bond here, a bond here, and a double bond here, and I got anion here. Response, sir? What is the difference between A and B? Is there any difference? Little difference is there. Observe carefully. This anion is present at, for example, if it is first position, I call it as second position. This is first and third position. Correct? But of course, both are primary anions. Both are primary. Now come to fourth. Just in a fraction of a second, I am able to identify the answer. I am shifting this here. This also I shifted here. This also I shifted here. This I shifted here. So what is the product? Again, I got a 5-membered ring. I got a double bond here. This got shifted, so I got a double bond here. This got shifted, I got a double bond here. Bond here, negative charge. Response, sir? Yes or no? Now, if I do the same here, observe carefully. This got shifted here. I am shifting just here. I am not shifting it further. Sir, why I have stopped after shifting there? There is a reason for it. Why I stopped that means bond, I will have a negative charge here, right? Response, sir? Can I say this as aromatic compound? Is it aromatic or not? Correct? Cyclic, delocalization of peripheral pi electrons, occurs 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, dioptropic compounds. They're all aromatic compounds. So this is aromatic compound. Aromatic compounds are extremely stable. So if this is stable, this can convert into aromatic compound quickly. Means this will lose H plus readily. So which is more acidic? What will be the answer now? Correct? Whether we discussed that idea of aromaticity or not? How many numericals we might have solved? This you need to answer. I will not tell this. I will not you answer for it. Okay, first, to which chapter it belongs to? Online. No one is speaking, whether they are alive or not. Online, anyone alive, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
To which chapter this question number 5 belongs to?
Chemical bonding.
Chemical bonding. Last topic of chemical bonding before hydrogen bonding, we discussed about molecular orbital theory. With molecular orbital theory, we need to solve this question. We need to identify incorrect statement. I don't want correct answer. I want incorrect answer. What about option A? Correct? Why? Noble gas. According to MO theory, if I calculate bond order, 0 I will get. If I get bond order 0, then it is correct only. Because neon, how many electrons are there? 10, 10. Helium also. 2, 2. So sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. Right? Bonding 2, anti-bonding 2. What is bond order formula? Half into bonding electrons minus anti-bonding electrons. I got 0, na? Correct or not? The formula for bond order, man. What I will write? Half into number of bonding molecular orbital electrons minus number of anti-bonding molecular orbital electrons. Correct? So in noble gases, both becomes equal, then automatically bond order became 0. Over. Come to second one. Highest occupied, HOMO. Highest occupied molecular orbital of fluorine, F2, is sigma type. If you remember, last year also when you were in class 11th, while we are discussing chemical bonding chapter, 2024 JEE Advanced paper question we directly picked and we discussed. Based upon overlapping of orbitals, if you remember. Gerard, ungerard, bonding, anti-bonding, molecular planes, nodal planes, based upon that they framed one question last year. This year also they framed one question. Means last 2 years, even if you observe previous years also, every year, one question, for sure they will frame from chemical bonding chapter. In fact, this is second question, because earlier one more question is there, coordination compounds. So we can take that as a coordination compounds topic, but with chemical bonding knowledge, we can solve that question, right? So anyhow, it is direct question. What about option B? Correct or wrong? Wrong. Reason. F2. How many electrons? 18. What I have to write? Sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. After that, sigma or pi? Greater than or equal to 14. Sorry, greater than 14. If it is greater than 14, what happened? 2s 2p intermixing doesn't occur or occur. What happened? Do 2s 2p intermixing occurs or not? What happens to 2s 2p intermixing? We discussed about this point because there is one previous JEE advanced question based upon if 2s 2p, if sp intermixing is assumed, which among the following are diamagnetic compounds? A B2, B C2, C N2, D O2. One question we solved. That is previous JEE advanced question, if you remember. Or if you open class notes also, you can find it. If sp intermixing happens, then pi comes first. If it doesn't happen, what happens? Sorry, if it happens, sigma comes first. If it doesn't happen, pi comes first. Right? If it is greater than 14, what happens? sp intermixing doesn't occur. So what you should get? Sigma 2pz, pi 2px equal to pi 2py, pi star 2px equal to pi star 2py, sigma star 2pz. Now fill the electrons. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 are over or not? Fluorine atomic number 9. So 18 over. So which is highest occupied molecular atom? Pi star. Pi star is the having highest energy and it is occupied. Right? Which is LUMO, least unoccupied orbital. Among unoccupied, which is having lower energy? Sigma star. So sigma star is LUMO, pi star is HOMO. So what about this option? Wrong. Now bond energy of O2 plus is smaller than bond energy of O2. What is bond order of O2? Bond order of this directly you can say 2. What is bond order of O2 plus? 2.5 or 2.5 or not? And we will remove an electron from sigma star, sorry, pi star. 16, na? 16 or not? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Here 1, here 1. In pi star, here 1, 16. If it is O2. Plus means I need to remove one electron. So I will remove one electron from pi star. Means anti-bonding. If I remove one electron from anti-bonding, what happens? This value decreases. If its value decreases, bond order should increase. Correct? So bond order is, if a bond order increases, what happens to bond length? Decreases. Bond energy. So what they are saying? Bond energy is the smaller. Means wrong now. Bond energy must be higher. If they say bond length is smaller, then it is correct. Now come to the next one. Bond length of Li2 is larger than bond length of B2. Lithium in a period from left to right size decreases, man. Correct or not? Lithium is larger in size than boron. Even if you don't know chemical bonding, with periodic table also you can solve. Lithium is having larger size. Then what about bond length between lithium and lithium? Larger. So this is correct statement. So what they want? So answer must be question number 6. Periodic table question. Till now we have not gone to any tough chapter, sir. Not even a single question from structure of atom. Most of the questions are from periodic table, chemical bonding, right, and redox reactions. Till now, whatever questions we have solved. Correct? Now, diamagnetic species. Which are diamagnetic? And if electrons got paired up, diamagnetic. If we have unpaired electrons, paramagnetic. So lanthanum, which group it belongs to? Which block it belongs to? D block. And if D block first elements now, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, and so on. Here, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, and so on. Lanthanum, hafnium, tantalum, and so on. Then actinium, strontium, rutherfordium, whatever it may be. Rutherfordium, and so on. Lanthanum belongs to which block? D block. What is scandium configuration? 4s2, 3d1. Similarly here, 5s2, 4d1. 6s2, 5d1. Right? So lanthanum is 6s2, 5d1. And what is the oxidation state of lanthanum given? +3. Means you removed 3 electrons. So D1 electron is gone. SL2 electrons are gone. Means completely filled. Noble gas. Means all are paired. So it is diamagnetic or paramagnetic? Perfectly diamagnetic. So this is wrong. Lanthanum +3 diamagnetic means +2 is wrong. Correct? Now lutetium. Where is lutetium, sir? Last element in F block. Correct? In lanthanoid. Cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, and so on. Last element. lutetium, 14th element. Before that, ytterbium. Array periodic table, man. Cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14th element, lutetium. Before that, you will find ytterbium. What is the configuration of this 14th element? F14. Correct? So its outermost configuration is S2, D1, F14. Then what about this one? S2, D0, F14. Correct? Cerium. After lanthanum only, you will get cerium. Lanthanides. After lanthanum only, lanthanides will start. Lanthanum is S2, D1. Then cerium. S2, F2. Array, S2, D1, F1. But that electron goes to F orbital, and so it becomes S2, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, and so on. Now, if cerium is in +4 state, what happened? If cerium is in +4 state, diamagnetic, because all these electrons are gone. Then diamagnetic only, no? Means cerium +4 is also correct. Means +3 is wrong. Now come to lutetium +3. If I take lutetium +3, diamagnetic, or if I remove these 3 electrons, F is completely filled. So again diamagnetic. So lutetium +3 is diamagnetic. Means lutetium +2 is wrong. Now before lutetium, ytterbium +2, diamagnetic. So ytterbium +2 is diamagnetic. Means ytterbium +3 is wrong. So answer. This is based upon periodic classification of elements or not? Say something. Right? Alkenes chapter and chemical bonding chapter. If you know that, you can solve this. Cyclohexene with HBr. What happened? There is no peroxide. Follows Marconi-Karp rule. First H plus will attack to form carbocation, then Br minus will be added. So what should be the product? Respond. Correct or not? H plus is added here. Br minus will be added here. After adding H plus, you will get carbocation. Then Br minus will be added there. Response are Marconi-Karp product. Now, Finkelstein reaction. What is Finkelstein reaction? Sodium iodide in presence of acetone. Sodium iodide in presence of acetone. We discussed this or not? Swart reaction. Fluorine. Halogens will be replaced by fluorine by adding cobalt fluoride, COF2, HgF2, SbF5, and so on. Alkyl halides will be converted to fluorides. Finkelstein reaction converted to iodides. Now read them. CX, bond length. Among them, tell me which is higher bond length. Q greater than. P greater than. So Q greater than, P greater than R. Wrong. Correct? Next. Bond energy. Which is stronger bond? So R greater than, P greater than Q. R greater than, P greater than Q. Correct? Next one. Which will react with SN2? SN2 reaction is nucleophile has to attack and this has to be replaced. Among these 3, where I can replace them easily? Q. What they give? Q is lowest they give. Means wrong. Say something. Now, pKa value of the conjugate acids of the living group. What is living group here? Bromine. So what is its conjugate acid? HBr. Correct or not? So HBr, HF, HI. Among them, which is strong acid? HI is strong acid means its Ka is high. Ka is high. Then pKa. So HI pKa is lowest. So pKa of which is lowest? Q must be lowest. Means. So which is correct answer they are asking? Correct or wrong answer? Correct answer. They might have asked the incorrect answer. But this is more than one answer type question. Na? If they ask it incorrect, then answer is A, C, D. They are asking correct answer. So answer is B. Easy one. Yes. Question number 8. Syllabus is over. Just now over. Solve. Just now over, man. Syllabus. Electrochemistry. From electrochemistry, this year also they gave 2 questions. Last year they gave 2 questions. 2023 2 questions. 2022 2 questions. If you go to 2016, 2 passages, 6 questions they gave. 2 passages. 6 questions means 24 marks. Only from electrochemistry chapter. Cut off that year is 30-90. But electrochemistry alone they gave 24 marks questions. Solve question number 8. Online solve question number 8. Madam. Switch off, madam. No, don't switch on light. Okay, head count. Okay, carry on. Madam, I will tell. You don't count. 6, 10, 11, 11, 17, 20, 26, 27, madam. Online, 22. Akash Guru, it will not count. After I log out only, it is counting. 1 minute, let me check. Actually, offline count also it is not showing. If I log out, it is showing. Let me check. 27 it is showing. Perfect. Question number 8. How much? 50, yeah? Hey, fact man, exact answer I want. 50? Pakka? Any other answers? Online? Question number 8. Electrochemistry question only. Yesterday only, means last class only we completed this chapter. Huh? 19. 90. So he is getting answer as 90. Any other answers?
100 us.
100. Someone is getting 100. Any other answers? Any other answers? It is not even complete question of electrochemistry, man. They are asking Q. Q. What is Q formula? I into T. Correct? Response, sir. Now, what they are saying? 1 mole of chromium plus 3 is obtained. To get 1 mole of chromium plus 3 from dichromate. Dichromate means can write K2Cr2O7 or dichromate ions, na? Dichromate ion means I will write Cr2O7 2 minus. Correct? What is the state of chromium here? Plus 6 converted to plus 3 means how many electrons? 3. To have 1 mole of chromium plus 3, 3 moles of electrons are sufficient. Correct? Response, sir. 3 moles of electrons means 3 into 96,500 coulombs. And 1 mole of electrons charge is 1 Faraday. 3 moles of electrons charge is 3 Faraday. 3 Faraday means 3 into 96,500 coulombs. This is the charge. Charge equal to I into T. I is ampere, T is seconds. So I value I want to find. What is T? 48.25 minutes into 60 seconds. Correct? I say something, sir. Now, can I do this calculation this way? 3 2s are, and I will cancel 1 0. 3, 2s are 6. I am cancelling 1 0. 48.25 into 2. 96.5. Correct? Huh? So what is I? 100. So you need to write the answer as 100.00. Why, sir? What they say? Round off the value to 2 decimal places. Correct, sir? Say something. So I am writing it as 100.00. Clear? Now I will solve one more question. They also gave from same chapter. Maybe in paper 2. Just a moment. Let me open paper 2 also. Again, electrochemistry question. Question number 14. Solve. Electrochemistry question. Again, I am saying, sir, if you are aiming for JEE mains, read your boards perfectly. Boards means not question and answers. Board textbooks. If you are thorough with board textbook, you will get 100% out of 100. If you are perfect with boards, 100 out of 100, 100% you will get. Right? For that, no need of any coaching. No need at all. Correct, I am saying. Don't say that later, sir. I am here for JEE mains. At least JEE mains rank I am expecting. If you are expecting JEE mains rank, no need of anything. Prepare for your boards perfect. With your school board preparation, it is sufficient. If you want advanced, then for sure you require coaching. Because how to connect concepts we need to learn. That you cannot learn directly. We need there you require support of people. Right? Have you discussed about a thermodynamics topic in electrochemistry chapter? There we discussed some formulas of Gibbs free energy or not. Delta G equal to delta H minus T delta S. Delta H of a reaction equal to delta H of products minus reactants. Delta S of a reaction equal to delta S of reactant products minus reactants. Delta G of a reaction equal to delta G of products minus delta G of reactants. We can also see delta G equal to minus NFE. Delta G equal to minus RT ln K equilibrium. We discussed all these formulas. Yes or no? Online. We discussed or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then solve. What is the answer? Yes, sir. 100 again. Hey, don't give answer as 100 always, man. Four fives are 20. 2 0 0 you will get at the end. This is water na H2 means 5. 5 means 35. I will get 5 in the end. 18 means I am getting 3 in the end. I am getting 3 in the end. This is 26, 6. Array, if your last digit is 3 and if your last digit is 6, if I am dividing last digit 3 number with the last digit 6 number, what I will get? 0.5. Array 6 5s are 30 now. So answer should be something 0.5. Answer should be something 0.50. Definitely not 100. Even if you get 100, it should be 100.50.
104.5, sir.
Maybe 104.50 he's saying. Maybe. If you want exactly, I will calculate. Means I will need to check the initial digit. Na? 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 10, 25, 25. So 25 divided by 26. Answer must be greater than 100. Starting number must be 1. Ending number must be 0.5. One not 5.5. Maybe. I need to calculate it first. I have not done calculation. Maybe. Alright, because these numbers I need to calculate multiply now. What I have done is I have checked by using last digits. With the last digits, I can predict the last number. With the first digit, I predicted the first number. Yes, sir. What is the answer? Shall I solve?
105.5, sir.
Maybe, man. Who knows? Let me solve. They are saying we are combusting butane. We are burning butane. Listen. So butane means can write C4H10. Correct? Huh? C4H10. Butane. Combustion. So plus O2 gives rise to 4 CO2 plus 5 H2O. Response, sir. Then 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 5. 13. So I have to write 13 by 2 O2. Reaction balance. Right? Now what is delta G of reaction? Delta G of products minus reactants. What is delta G of product? 5 into delta G of H2O. What is delta G of H2O? Minus 237. Response, sir. Plus 4 into what is delta G of CO2? Minus 394. Response, sir. Delta G of reaction equal to delta G of products minus delta G of reactants. That's what I am doing. Then I will get delta G of overall reaction. So products I am doing 5 moles of this, 4 moles of this. This is the total delta G of products minus delta G of reactants. Oxygen standard form. So delta G is 0. Then for butane 18. So 1 into minus 18. Products minus reactants. So what will be the net value? This becomes a negative, this becomes a positive, right? So 237 into 5, 7 5s are 35, 3, 5 3s are 15, 3 18, 1 10, 1 11, this one 4 4s are 16, 1 9 4s are 36, 37, 3 12, 12 3 15, 6 5 11, 8 16, 1 6 7, 2 2767 2761, and this is plus 18. Means I need to subtract 18. This is negative, this is positive. So I am subtracting 18 from it. 11 minus 8. 3. Say something, man. 11 minus 8. 3. 5 minus 1. 4. 7. 2. So what is this value? Minus 2743 kilojoule. Response, sir. I got delta G. Can I write delta G equal to minus NFE? Delta G equal to minus NFE. I have to calculate N. How many N? What is the N? Number of electrons. What is number of electrons? Oh, 1 minute. Again, if you want. Sorry. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. There. Sorry. What is this? Delta G equal to minus NFE. How many electrons, sir? Observe. In this reaction, here oxidation number is 0. Here oxidation number is -2. Here also -2. Means all oxygens are converting from 0 to -2. How many oxygens are there? 13/2 O2s. Means total how many O's? 13 O's converted from 0 to -2. Means total how many electron transferred? 26 electrons. Correct? So N value is 26. Response, sir. So I'm writing it. Delta G, I already know. 2746 equal to N value 26 into F into E. Correct, sir? Minus and minus I cancel. Bring that 26 to this side. So what is E equal to? E equal to 2746 into 10 cube divided by, why I am writing 10 cube, sir? Because it is kilojoules, na? So better I will write here also. 2743 into 10 cube. Correct? Divided by 26 F volts is the answer. Compare these two. What is X? 2746 by 26. Right? So calculate that. 26 ones are 26. Then 146. 146 means 14, na? 14, sorry. 14 means I need to take 0. Then only it becomes 146. Right? 26 ones are 26 means 1. 14, it will not go. So I am taking 0. Then I will take it as 146. What is 26 5s are? 5 6 are 30, 10, 3, 130. 146 means 130. If I remove 130, what is left? 1 minute. What is left? 16. 16, na? This is 146, na? 146, man. Oh, 43, I wrote 46. Okay. This is a 2743. Right. So then this is 105.13 means perfectly 5. So answer is 105.50. Response, sir. X is 105.50. Acceptable? Say something. All right. Question number 13 you need to solve. This also just now completed. Solutions and colligative properties. From solutions colligative properties, now question number 13. We completed this chapter or not? Solve. Understanding or not? Your friend. What? Instead of this, sorry. Right. Which is better, sir? Visible? This is better, huh? Solve. Convert everything into SI units, no? Or I need to convert this into CGS. Correct? Say something, sir. Now into H value. What is H? 2 centimeter. Can I write as 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter into G value. 10 meter per second square. Means pi is over. Correct? Pi is nothing but pressure. Pressure is nothing but rho Hg. So I have taken a rho Hg. All the three values they have given means I have got pressure value. Equal to I value already you know 1. 1 into what is C? Concentration. Moles per liter. Concentration is nothing but moles per liter. What they give? Gram per liter. So instead of writing a gram per liter, I need to write moles per liter. So what I will write? This gram, I am dividing it with, this is a 2 grams now. I am dividing that to 2 grams with molecular weight. Then what happens? Weight by molecular weight becomes moles, right? Per liter. I need to convert that per liter. That per liter, I am converting into meter cube. Decimeter means 0.1 meters. Then decimeter cube means 10 power minus 3 meter cube. Right. Decimeter means 0.1 meter. Decimeter cube means 0.1 cube meter cube. 0.1 cube means 10 power minus 3. So instead of writing decimeter cube, I am writing 10 power minus 3 meter cube. Response, sir. Correct? So C value over. C means moles per liter. I wrote moles divided by liter. I have written in terms of meter cube. Into R value. What is R given? 8.3 joule. I am writing it as kg meter square per second square. Joule means Newton into meter. Newton means kg meter per second square. So into meter means I can write as kg meter square per second square. So joule over per Kelvin per mole. Response, sir. Units of R is 8.3 kg meter square per second square per Kelvin per mole into T value 300 Kelvin. Everything I substituted perfectly. Now Kelvin per Kelvin. Kg meter square per second square. Kg meter square per second square. Meter cube, meter cube. What are the units left? Here grams. Here per mole. So what are the units left? Gram per mole. They want answer in gram per mole or not? Response, sir. They want answer in gram per mole. I am also having units left. Gram and mole per mole. Right? Now I am cancelling 10 powers. Minus 3, minus 2. Minus 5 gone. Minus 5. Here minus 6 in denominator. So what is left? 10 power minus 1 goes to numerator. 10. So total it is 20. I will cancel this 2. This 2 means 10. I will cancel this 0. So what is left on left side? 110 left. Correct? 110 left. This 10 also I will cancel. Another 0 gone. Correct? Right? Bring this capital M to this side. So capital M equal to what is left? 8.3 into 8.3 into anything left? 3 into 10 power minus 3 goes to numerator. 10 cube units left. Gram per mole. Response are 3 3s are 9, 8 3s are 24. So 24.9 into 10 cube gram per mole. So I can write it as 2.49 into 10 power 4. So they want X value. So what is the answer of X? 2.49. Any questions? Direct question or not? Direct substitution formula only, right? Response are. So where is that question paper? So answer is simply how to solve it? Phi equal to ICST or ICRT. So I got the answer as 2.49. How much, sir? Oh. Chemical kinetics not done. Surface chemistry not done. Question number 10, sir. Solve. Question number 10. Question number 11 belongs to surface chemistry chapter, sir. Next chapter after solid state, I will start chemical kinetics and nuclear chemistry, and then I will go to surface chemistry. If you observe carefully, from every chapter they give questions. Solid state they give one question. Electrochemistry they give two questions. Solutions and colligative property they give one question. Next chapter chemical kinetics they give one question. Surface chemistry one question. Chemical kinetics question next. This is chemical kinetics question, I think. This is chemical kinetics question. This is surface chemistry question. Ionic equilibrium question. On ionic equilibrium, they gave two questions, I think, this time. Sir, class work. This is class work. Okay, have you punched the ID card? Punch the message. Message not bent. Sir, class work, sir. Right. Solve, sir, question number 10. Very easy one. Easy question it is. Very easy question. Hey. Solve, man. You are discussing. Reading more, sir. This year also, sir. Those who have done well in chemistry, they will only go to IITs. Otherwise, homework. I will show maths questions also, you will understand. Maths and physics both questions. This year, mains they made chemistry paper tough. Physics, very easy. Maths is very tough. JEE mains paper, right? Advanced paper, what I felt is advanced maths is easier than JEE mains paper. This year's advanced maths paper better than mains maths paper. But benefit in advanced paper is in mains, how many people will write exam? 12 lakhs. But for advanced, 2 lakhs. Competition is already gone, right? All the trash is gone. Cockroaches are gone, right? Now, in these 2 lakhs, they will not think about how many marks. Your accuracy should be good. How many questions? Sir, in JEE means 25 questions you need to solve in 1 hour. Here, each subject, how many questions they gave? 14 or 15 questions, I think. How many? 16 questions. Paper 1 also 16 questions. That's all. Time is 1 hour. So instead of 25, now here you have to solve 16 questions. Right? How much time per question? In that also, you spend that time only for 10 questions. 1 hour time to solve only 10 questions. Select 10 questions and solve those 10. That's all. Don't even look at other questions. Solve selectively 10 questions. How many marks you can get? Minimum 30. Forget about remaining. 30 marks you can get. Maths 30, physics 30, chemistry 30. How many? In paper 1. Another 90 in paper 2. You will get below 3,000 ranks in open category. All India rank. AR below 3,000 you will get rank. 180 marks. Whichever IIT you select, either Chennai or Tirupati or whatever you select, you will get C. Plan and execute it properly. That's all. What matter? Solve this question. Online students, go for break, come back within 5 minutes and join in the next link, sir. Second link. Right? I'm closing the session. You join in the second link, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.